Alright, we are about to walk through a trail. What is it? Riccarton bush? Riccarton bush, and there's all these cool sounds in the wind, so we're hoping to get this for maybe a good sleep machine, yeah? So here we go, we're gonna walk. Just gonna hold it, so if you see people, just ignore them. They don't know I'm recording. Alright, here we go. See if we can hear it. You hear that? That bird wakes me up every morning at 4:30 a.m. And it is light outside. And it does not get dark until 10 p.m. Therefore, I'm a little sleep deprived. Winds are picking up today. It's a little chilly. What happened to summer? Hopefully that's it.